Hi guys, and welcome to The Mindful Baker. New location, new kitchen. We've since moved out of London. We now have moved into the country, and this is the new kitchen we have, which is amazing. Now, first of all, before we start this little workshop for how I'm teaching you to do your pizza kit, you need to make sure that your pizza ball is out of the fridge. Okay, so that needs to be room temperature. So take it out about half an hour before you start it. Then, before you go on, come over to your oven, put the grill on before you do it, and then just slowly warm up you need a frying pan, by the way. Frying pan. Okay, so that's something you need to do. So we're slowly warming it up. Okay guys, now what you need to do is get your pizza ball, take it out, and put it onto a floured surface. Now, it will seem quite sticky, but that's fine. Put some flour on top of it, but don't mould it or anything like you see a lot of bread makers do, okay? Because that will get rid of the gluten bonds, and the gluten bonds, we won't get rid of them, it'll just sort of distort them, in that you won't be able to play around with it. So basically, once it's on, flour it a little bit more from the flour you've got on the surface, and then just start prodding it. Now, a lot of people sort of prod to get a lot of people prod a lot to get the rind thing. What do we call that? I don't know what it's called. But basically what we're trying to do here is just push the whole thing, because this is a sourdough pizza base. So we're not looking for a big crust. That was the word, crust. We're not looking for a big crust. What we're trying to do is just flatten it out evenly. And then once you get to sort of a fairly, keep flattening, remember? Flour, if your hand stick, flatten, put flour on. And then you want to pick it up and then fold it around the palm of your, the fist of your hand, like so. And the weight of it, if you notice this, the weight of it will slowly start to stretch it. Now you've got to be careful that you don't stretch it in the middle too much, which will cause a hole. But once you've stretched it to about the size of your frying pan, you can then take it over to the frying pan. Now the frying pan's on, like I had put on, and you don't, now what, in previous videos I always used to say put a little oil in. Do not put oil in. This is very important. Just put, okay, so it's going to be quite warm and nice, and once it's in there, because obviously you haven't put any oil in it, you can just stretch it around like so. I mean, I could have stretched it a bit more, but that's fine. Put the heat up a little, and then allow it just to slowly heat for a little while. Okay guys, now when the pizza is ready, you will know that it's got to a good colour like that, and then just turn the oven off while you are about to top your pizza. So you will have got some of the tomato sauce, which I provided with. You want to just put some in the middle, fair amount in the middle, and then just slowly scoop it round. Scoop, is that a good word? Scoop, just bring it around. Bring it around. And depending on how much topping you ordered for how many pizzas, you will obviously have had that. This is just a little topping base I made purely for this video. So once you have put on this, you then, I mean, completely up to you which toppings you're going to use. I've got some parmesan here, so we then sprinkle a little bit of parmesan over the top. And then put a little bit of spinach on, and then mozzarella. There we go. And just basically spread it on, get a good amount. And then, remember, you turned on your grill beforehand. You're then going to take the pan and everything. Obviously, make sure that you haven't got a a grill which will burn the end of it, but literally I put ours just into there, even though we've got a plastic handle, it's not going to burn the plastic handle, and then this will carry on grilling it, because remember we've got the bottom which is now been fried but without the oil, so that's effectively like putting it into a wood-fired pizza oven, and now we're putting it on the top, which is again a bit like putting it in a wood-fired pizza oven. So you're actually getting exactly the same taste and flavour and feel and look from a wood-fired pizza oven, but you're using your own oven. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. So this will go on for another couple of minutes, and let's just have a quick look at it. Yep, sizzling away, and in a couple of minutes I will show you what the end result is like. Okay guys, it's now been a couple of minutes. Let's just have a quick look to see how the pizza is grilling. So we are almost there. I would say another 20-30 seconds and this pizza will be ready. So carry on doing that. In the meantime, let me just tell you a few things about this pizza. So it's sourdough. So sourdough, straight away, the difference between sourdough and the normal pizza you get from like fast food pizza is it's much healthier for you. And that's because of it's a low GI, so low glycemic index, what it stands for. So it means that the sort of the fat and everything you get from normal pizza goes straight to your blood and just goes straight to all your organs. Whereas this, it's released slowly, and it means that you're actually eating a healthy pizza, or as healthy a pizza as you can. But anyway, it's much tastier, but it's flatter. So it's not like the sort of pizzas we get with the big crust, like I was saying earlier. It's flatter, it's tastier, and it's better for you. Right, let's have a look now. I would say that is pretty much ready, guys. So we're going to take this pizza off, and I'm now going to go and eat it and enjoy it. But you guys, all you need to do is order your pizzas, www.themindfulbaker.com, and you can get this in your home and make it yourself. Instead of ordering a pizza from a shop, you're getting it from the Mindful Baker, and it tastes like it's from a shop. It's amazing. Okay guys, see you soon.